Have you ever looked in the mirror and pulled your skin over this way or maybe up a little bit this way to stretch out those wrinkles and sagging? Well, here's another question. Did you ever wonder what it would be like to get a facelift? Well, we have your expert here. It's renowned plastic surgeon Dr. George Toledo of Highland Park Plastic Surgery Center. Good morning, Dr. Toledo.
Good morning.
Who is this beautiful woman you brought with you today?
This is my friend and patient, former patient, Diana, and she came in for a little facial rejuvenation type surgery 2 years ago. And so we did a facelift and forehead and eyes. She's 65, right?
That's right.
Well,
we actually went to high school together, so we go way back. But it was kind of what happened after the facelift that's really kind of exciting. It's not just looking better, but she'll tell you how it kind of changed her life.
I'm sure. Well, talk about how it changed your life as we look at your before and afters.
Well, it did change my life, seriously. I compete, selling real estate, I compete with a lot of the younger people, and so, you know, after a while, they're going to pick up a business card and it's going to say, well, maybe not that one, maybe this other one. So first year, honestly, it doubled, and then last year, tripled what I had been making before, so I know it really worked. Something did.
That's, you know, and that's a big deal when you talk about career enhancements.
Yeah.
We'll go back to that in a minute, but as we look at her and hear her story, Dr. Toledo, what surgeries did you perform?
Well, we did really everything in the face. Forehead, upper and lower eyelids, lifted the cheeks, tightened the entire neck. I even think she had a little nose job. Got rid of the wrinkles around her lips and made the lips a little bit fuller. So just a little bit of everything in the face to take it from looking 65 to looking, you know, I'd say 40-something.
Yeah, she looks like herself.
20 years. Took 20 years off her face.
Really nice. And let's talk about patients coming for you, Dr. Toledo. This is not just a cosmetic procedure. Many of us work in image-driven businesses and want career enhancements, right? Speak to that.
Well, you know, I don't want people to think that, hey, I'm going to go get a facelift and all of a sudden I'm going to triple my income or find a husband or become a movie star. You know, that may be an added benefit that you get.
Right.
But you know, I can take 10 or 15, 20 years off somebody's face, and whatever benefits come from it, that's just icing on the cake.
And certainly for you, it meant much better career options later in your career.
Absolutely. For sure.
All right, great. Thanks for sharing your story today. I think you look fabulous. Dr. Toledo, it's always good to see you as well. And for more information, call Dr. George Toledo at Highland Park Plastic Surgery Center at this number, 214-363-4444, or you can log on to his website at toledoplasticsurgery.com.